In the video number 29, we are going to understand how to use general method that is attached with string type called replace, lines, split trim and char. How to use these methods of string type that we are going to understand in this video. For that, I have already created a project class 29 string method. Under this we have this file, and here I create the variable, any variable I can say. I say name, and here I say string type, and I say string of from, and I am taking this value. This is example of string data type in Rust. For example, we have this kind of information in this variable. Now the first thing I need to display this, so I use println, and it's simple to display this information. So I say name. So generally we can display this, and I try to use here. I say cargo run. Nothing special, we have a value. Now I use a string method replace. So I just call it like this, and here I say replace the word. I say example. Remember that there is a spelling mistake here, example, but it should be example. So I say it should be replaced with example. Remember that we have a mistake here, so I want to replace with this word with this. Then I try to execute once again, run it, and you see that we have example, we have replaced this. It's a very simple one. If once again I try to see this, it is actually replaced or not, that we are going to understand here. You see that once again I try to execute it, and you see that it is not replaced like this. Remember that it replaced only in this line, but after that it is not actually replaced. Remember that. So for replacing it permanently, what we have to do, we have to use mute keyword here, and this statement I need to do like this, name equal to like that. Try to execute here. Now. So we have problem of semicolon. Try to execute, and you see that now it is permanently modified. Remember that this function not permanently change the value, we have to pass another time string, then it done. Now what we have to do, another method is we have lines. Remember that. So we have to display lines. So how we can do line? Line we can only display when we actually have a line. So suppose I say /n like this, here we have /n like this, then we can display line. So for that I say here lines function, try to execute it. What we have, okay, we have like this. So here I